Girls, nakita namin na full support yung mga cast dito ng Volcas 5. If given a chance na dadalhin niyo sila dito, anong mga services ang ibibigay niyo sa kanila at bakit?
Ay, nadala na po.
Nadala. Anong mga service ang bibigay niyo siguro sa kanila if ever?
Sugi sila sa massage.
Massage lahat.
Yeah. Sa massage. So, massage pods pa. Pero kami din yung gumagawa.
Kayo din talaga. How about yung mga families and friends niyo rin outside? Nadala niyo na rin ba sila dito?
Yes. We're very happy. Super supportive nila. We all had like one day with our families to have to use the entire salon and to use our services and everything. So, actually parang that was the first part na parang na-realize namin, hello guys, dito na tayo. Kasi syempre we're very proud to invite our loved ones to see what we've been working on. Kasi we really tried our best to keep it within like ourselves. Hindi namin gusto humingi ng tulong sa family namin. Everything we wanted to prove ourselves and to be able to like welcome them. Hello, ito yung pinaghirapan ko and stuff. Sobrang nakakatuwa. So, nadala na namin. We all had our moments. We had like Team Tan Felix, we had Team Ortega,
Wow.
Team Villanueva. Wala pang Team Senior Rotterdam.
And also, habang nag-start kayo ng business, ano yung sa tingin niyo yung pinaka-most challenging experience niyo dito and paano niyo na-overcome yun? Meron na ba?
Time management kasi we all have different schedules and busy kami tatlo eh. Yeah, so parang ang hirap na mag-meet kami together in one day. So most of the time, hinihiwalay-hiwalay namin yung trabaho. Tapos ang meeting sa through Telegram na lang, tapos yung meeting sa amin always Zoom.
So rin sa mga challenges yung matindi kami tatlo sa isang lugar.
Oh, super.
Especially nung tail end. Kasi nung start, parang we just finished Volcas 5, so we're kind of free, but now we have our own things now. We have different projects that we're preparing. So naging challenge na maging magkakasama kami na. So it was also part of us.
The most difficult part is when signing na
Yeah.
present kami
Wow.
sa ano. Yan yung pinaka-mahirap.
Sunod kami sa lalabo.
Pero did you have your first stroke of misunderstanding naman? Or wala?
Parang ako,